Is Walt Disney World's Animal Kingdom too crowded or the perfect place to be on New Year's Eve? We're gonna find out. Around 11 a.m. there were almost no lines to enter into this park, so off to a good start for sure. So far at the entrance it doesn't seem to be any more or less crowded than usual. There's about as many people exiting the park as there are entering. The Magic Menagerie is out in full force. Starting off the day with a chocolate cream protein cold brew, so that'll give me about 15 grams of protein, which is wonderful. And I'm stopping in the baby care center to quickly nurse and kind of game plan for my day. Headed to Pandora. Crowd levels I would say are a little heavier than normal, but wait times aren't crazy for it being New Year's Eve. When I looked at wait times while in the baby care center, the safari was down, Navi River journey was about 70 minutes, which is way longer than I would wait, but Avatar Flight of Passage was only 80 to 85, which is light considering this ride frequently has wait times over 2 hours. We are waiting for our arrival window to start at Satuli Canteen, and there are about half the tables empty. And partly because it's cold outside, but partly because it's just not that crowded today. I absolutely love that I can get fire-grilled chicken fresh off the grill at this quick service location. My mom and I split 2 kids' meals today plus a new dessert. We had a cheeseburger pod as well as the kids' grilled chicken bowl with salad. And the Mang Kwan mousse is a new dessert here, and it's a cinnamon milk chocolate mousse, caramelized banana cake, banana sesame caramel, and a chocolate sesame crumble. The pathway between Pandora and Africa is not very crowded. This is very calm and very delightful. Passing Festival of the Lion King, crowds are definitely more congested as we enter into the Africa area. Kilimanjaro Safari is a 45-minute standby wait at this point in time. We're not going to wait in it, but it's not awful. We're checking out Rafiki's Planet Watch, so maybe this would be a less congested area of Animal Kingdom. All aboard the Wildlife Express to Conservation Station. So you do have to fold up your stroller to get onto the train, and right now my little one is sleeping, so we are not going to wake her up just to get on the train. The Harambe Market is not currently serving food, but this is a great spot to come and sit. You can see there's clearly a ton of tables, so there are some really packed areas of Animal Kingdom today, but there's also some really empty ones. Passing Mr. Kamal's as we enter into Asia, and there's definitely some more congestion up ahead, but overall there's a lot of pathways that are very, very calm and light with traffic. If you're used to eating at the Harambe Market, Local Foods Cafe is actually going to be a great option instead. So their savory options are similar to what you'll find at Yak and Yeti. So this is kind of your Yak and Yeti restaurant quick service. Things like honey sesame chicken, firecracker shrimp, Korean fried chicken sandwich, and rib tips. I ordered the honey sesame chicken entree, and this was a big miss for me. I hoped for grilled or baked chicken instead of fried, and this really brought me back to food court shopping mall vibes. We're going to take our coffee and go on the Maharaja Jungle Trek. Most of the animals were sleeping, so we didn't see too many on that jungle trek, but there were a bunch of birds out, and it was a calm, relaxing trail, so that was a win. The standby line for Expedition Everest right now is 30 minutes. It's almost 2 p.m. There's always the single rider line and the lightning lanes too. Construction is ongoing for the Tropical Americas. We're gonna skip Dinosaur today and Restaurantosaurus and head to Flame Tree Barbecue for a final dessert and then head out for the day. Last but not least, we have the cranberry cherry cheesecake pop, and it looks as delectable and delightful as the rest of the cheesecake and key lime pops from Flame Tree Barbecue. Here goes. It's really yummy. It's like the perfect thin layer of chocolate all the way around. Plus there's like a little layer of maybe like a chocolate cake, almost like a chocolate graham cracker crust at the bottom.
Yeah, cheesecake usually has graham cracker crust, that makes sense.
Oh, that is good. And that's a wrap for our New Year's Eve day at Animal Kingdom theme park in Walt Disney World. Overall, I think this is a great park to be at if you're going to be in Walt Disney World for New Year's Eve. It was a little crowded, but not too bad. I think you'd be able to get on everything that you wanted to here, even if you didn't have lightning lanes. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you back here in 2026.